Everyone. So this is the 15th session of the food safety and quality assurance, and the topic which we'll be covering today is food quality management systems. Okay, so the quality management principles are shown in the figure at the slide. So the quality management principles are relationship management, evidence-based decision making, continual improvement, process approach, engagement of people, leadership, customer focus, etc. Concept of quality. Now, what is the historical background of the concept of quality? The concept of the quality, as we think of now, is the first emerged in the Industrial Revolution. Previously, goods have been made from start to finish by the same person or team of people with handcrafting and tweaking the product to meet the quality criteria. Quality as a profession and the managerial process associated with the quality function was introduced during the second half of the 20th century and has evolved since then. Over this period, few other disciplines have seen as a major changes in the quality profession. Quality control. Now, what basically is quality control? Quality control is implemented by the means of fulfilling quality requirements, reviewing all factors involved in the production. The business confirms that the goods or services produced meet organizational goals, often using tools such as operational auditing and inspection. QC is focused on process output. Procedures used in each assay to assure a test run is valid and results are reliable. A system for verifying and maintaining a desired level of quality in an individual test or process, a generic term that refers to the monitoring and assessment of laboratory testing processes to identify problems and maintain performance. The operational techniques and activities used to fulfill requirements for quality. What is quality assurance? Quality assurance is implemented as a means of providing enough confidence that business requirements and goals for a product service will be fulfilled. This error prevention is done through systematic measurement, comparison of the standard, and monitoring of the process. A part of quality management focuses on providing confidence that quality requirements will be fulfilled. A formal and systematic exercise in identifying problems in medical care delivery, designing activities to overcome the problem, and carrying out follow-up monitoring to ensure that new problems have been introduced and the corrective steps have been effective. A broad spectrum of evaluation activities aimed at ensuring compliance with minimum quality standards. All actions taken to establish, protect, and improve the quality of healthcare. Quality improvement. Quality improvement is implemented as a means of providing mechanism for the evaluation and the improvement of processes, etc. In the light of the efficiency, effectiveness, and flexibility, this may be done with noticeably significant changes or incrementally via continual improvement. A formal approach to the analysis of performance and systematic efforts to improve it. A systematic and continuous actions that lead to measurable improvement in healthcare services and food sector are target patient groups or the consumers. Defining standards of care, reassessing those standards periodically, and continuously improving the medical system that support those standards. A set of techniques for continuous study and improvement of processes of delivering healthcare services and products to meet the needs and expectations of the consumer services and products. It has three basic elements, that is customer knowledge, a focus on processes of healthcare delivery, and statistical approaches that aim to reduce variations in those processes. Quality management. Now, what basically is quality management? Quality management ensures that an organization, product, or service is consistent. It has four main components, that is quality planning, quality assurance, quality control, and quality improvement. Quality management is focused on not only on the product and service quality but also on the means to achieve it. Quality management therefore uses quality assurance and control of processes as well as products to achieve more consistent quality. What a customer wants and is willing to pay for it determines quality. It is written or unwritten commitment to a known or unknown consumers in the market. Thus, quality can be defined as fitness for intended use, or in other words, how well the product performs its intended function. The applications of a quality management system in managing a process to achieve maximum customer satisfaction at the lowest overall cost, the organization will continuing to improve the process. Management activities and functions involved in determining of quality policy and its implementation through means such as quality planning and quality assurance, including quality control. Quality management is the act of overseeing all activities and tasks needed to maintain a desired level of excellence. This includes the determination of quality policy, creating and implementing quality planning and assurance, and quality control and quality improvement. All activities of the overall management function that determine quality policy objectives and responsibilities and implement them by means such as quality planning, quality processes, quality control, quality assessment, and quality improvement within the quality system. Now, what is quality management system? Quality management system to direct and control an organization with regard to the quality. A formalized system that documents the structure, responsibilities, and procedures required to achieve effective quality management. A quality management system helps coordinate and direct an organization's activities to meet customer and regulatory requirement and improve its efficiency and effectiveness on a continuous basis. The organizational processes, and procedures to implement quality management, which is broader than the both quality assurance system, also includes management and quality control. Besides quality assurance, the laboratory quality management system also includes management of equipment, supplies and inventories, management of capital, finances and budgeting, and providing training and continuous support of staff and customer service. The organizational structure, resources, processes and procedures needed to implement quality management. Total quality management. Now, what is total quality management? The management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction, a management philosophy that seeks to interact all organizational functions, that is finance, production, customer service, to focus on meeting customer needs and organizational objectives. A business philosophy that the long-term success of a company comes from customer satisfaction. TQM requires that all the stakeholders in a business work together to improve processes, product, services, and the culture of the company itself. Quality planning is implemented as a means of developing the product, system, and processes needed to meet or exceed the customer expectation. This includes defining who the customers are, determining their needs, and developing the tools needed to meet those needs. So this is how the whole quality structure is, that is total quality management is the supreme most, which has quality management, quality assurance, and quality control. That's all for this session.